In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Steam games with friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any computer, okay? You need to just open your Steam, log into your account, click right here at the top left corner of Steam, and click Settings. You'll come to this page, and first you need to manage Steam-wide account of security. So click on Account and click on this option. You'll come to this page, and you need to turn on the Steam-wide mobile authentication. Okay, you need to make this to share your games with your friends. Then, after doing that, you click right here on Steam again, Settings, and you will come to the second option, Family. Click on Family, and you will see this option right here. Probably your option will be turned off. You need to turn on this option, Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. So you can select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on your authorized computers. So what you need to do is click on OK right here, log out from your account and log on your friend account, okay? You need to make this, so you need to log on your friend account and come back to your account. Then click again, Settings, and your friend account will appear here. You click on this option to turn on the share games with your friend, and then click on OK. After doing that, your games will appear on your friend library. And when your friend click to play any game from your library, you will need to accept the access, okay? So every time that your friend click to play any game from your library, you need to accept the access. I hope I help you on how to share games. I hope I help you on how to share Steam games with your friends. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.